What's going on, YouTube? Just doing a little, like an 8-month update on this Rust-Oleum turbo can paint job we done on this little S10. It's got 4 coats of Glamour Clear sprayed high volume, low pressure. Still looking good. Still looks like it did whenever we painted it. Biggest comment on YouTube that I've received is, but you painted it orange. No, it's not orange, it's red. It just looked orange in that video for whatever reason. It is red, sunshine red. That's the only thing that's offered in the turbo can other than black and white, as far as I know. Put the little inserts and the stickers in, probably since the last video. The only thing I've had time to wet sand and buff is this rear quarter panel. It turned out pretty decent. The rest of it, yes, it's still orange peeled. Everybody's like, it's orange peeled, it's this, it's that. I don't care. It's not peeling clear coat. It's all one color. And that's the main thing for an old beater truck. But anyway, tell me what you think. 8 months in, Rust-Oleum black grill and front bumper. Anyway,